Hi friends, it's Murphy here, your furry guide to feeling good inside and out. Today, I'm going to tell you about something that truly changed my human's life. It's called the gut reset, and trust me, you have no idea what you're missing. For a while, things didn't feel right. Low energy. Poor sleep. A bit snappy at times, and let's just say the mood was stormy. But nobody thought to look at the gut. So we started small. More fiber. Fermented foods like kefir, sauerkraut and live yogurt. Cut back on sugar. Tried gentle intermittent fasting. And, most importantly, stayed consistent for 2 weeks. Then, something changed. Energy started to return. The fog lifted. Less anxiety. Better sleep. A calmer mood. You see, your gut isn't just about digestion. It produces over 90% of your serotonin, the feel-good chemical. A balanced gut can ease anxiety, reduce inflammation, and boost mental clarity. That reset didn't just help the tummy, it helped the mind. This wasn't a fancy cleanse. It was simple. Natural. And it worked. That's why I say, you truly have no idea what you're missing, until you give your gut the love it deserves. If you found this helpful, give us a like and hit subscribe for more wellness wisdom, Murphy style. And tell us in the comments, have you ever tried a gut reset? Until next time, be kind to your gut, and it'll be kind to you.